Hello everyone! Whether you're stripping paint, shrinking wire tubing, or wrapping a car, a heat gun is an essential tool. But choosing between corded, cordless, or variable temperature models can get confusing. We've analyzed the performance and durability of the top 5 best-selling heat guns to help you find the right one. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the DIAFIELD 1850W. This is our pick for heavy-duty durability. If you have a big project, like stripping layers of paint from a deck or furniture, you need this power. It boasts a massive 1850-watt output and features an all-copper motor, which dissipates heat better than the aluminum motors found in cheaper tools. It is built to last, with a rated service life of 800 hours. It includes a comprehensive nozzle kit for different applications. A quick tip for new owners: if you see a little white smoke the first time you turn it on, don't panic. That is just the protective factory oils burning off the heating element. It clears up in a few minutes, and then you are ready for serious work. Coming in at number 4 is the Wagner Spraytech HT1000. This is the best for basic household maintenance. Wagner is a legacy brand known for safety and reliability. This model keeps it incredibly simple with just a 2-position switch, 750 degrees and 1000 degrees. Because it lacks complex electronics or digital screens, it is incredibly rugged and reliable for simple tasks like thawing frozen pipes or loosening rusted nuts. It is ETL listed, meaning it meets strict safety standards. However, the lack of variable temperature control means it can be too aggressive for delicate work, and it lacks a cool-down mode, so you need to be careful where you set it down after use. Ideally, it's the tool you buy once and keep in your drawer for 20 years. At number 3, we have the ROMECH 1500 watt. This is the best choice for crafters and precision work. If you work with vinyl wraps, epoxy resin, or candle making, this is the tool for you. The housing is made from glass fiber reinforced nylon, which handles high heat without getting soft or deforming during long sessions. It features a variable temperature dial that lets you dial in the exact heat you need, crucial for stretching vinyl without melting it. Users also love the stability of the stand. It is perfectly balanced to sit upright on your table, allowing you to use both hands to manipulate your workpiece. It draws slightly less power than others on this list, making it safer for use in older homes with sensitive electrical circuits. Runner-up at number 2 is the DEWALT 20-volt max. This is our pick for mobile professionals. If you are an electrician or technician working on a ladder or in a crawl space, this cordless tool is a lifesaver. It runs on DEWALT's standard 20-volt battery system, letting you ditch the extension cord entirely. It features a lock-on button for continuous use and a built-in LED light, which is brilliant for working in dark cabinets. However, you need to manage your expectations. Physics limits battery power, so this tool produces significantly less airflow than a corded unit. It gives you about 15 minutes of runtime with a standard battery. It is not designed for stripping paint off a whole door, but for shrinking wire connections in the field, it is unbeatable. And finally, taking the top spot is the SEEKONE 1800 watt. This is the overall best value generalist. It sits in the number 1 spot because it offers professional-grade features for an incredibly accessible price. It heats up in just 1.5 seconds, meaning there's zero downtime when you are ready to work. Like our previous pick, it features a variable temperature rheostat, giving you control from 122 degrees all the way up to 1202 degrees. It also includes an overload protector that shuts the heating element down if it gets too hot, preventing damage to the tool. For 90% of DIYers, this tool does everything you need, from heavy stripping to delicate bending, at a price point that is hard to beat. It is the definition of a high-value tool. So, which one should you choose? If you need cordless freedom, grab the DEWALT. For heavy-duty stripping, the DIAFIELD is a beast. But for the best all-around performance for your dollar, the SEEKONE 1800 watt is our winner. Check the links in the description for the latest availability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.